Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all my friends, relatives, blogger, YouTuber, TikToker, print media, digital media, love to all. My fifth book, Shraddha Jia Poribar, is coming soon by Sistek Publications, and the book dedicated to Tariq Rahman, Zaimar Rahman, Zubaida